All right, guys, we are taking a first look at and unboxing the CleaniKu iPhone cleaning kit. This thing is amazing. Gonna help you keep your iPhone, every little aspect of it clean. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. So you have, first thing we'll take a look at is you have these cleaning clay tabs. You've got 4 of them. And those can actually help you polish up your phone and keep it clean. So that's a very cool use. You also have a microfiber cloth that can definitely come in handy for the screen and other aspects of the phone. And then we have the real package right here. And this is all the different tools that get into all the nooks and crannies, which most iPhone cleaning kits do not have. So here it is. It's got a very nice, clean layout. It's pretty self-explanatory, too. In fact, I'll just show you. And then we got the instruction manual. So let's go ahead. So we have the metal pen tip right here. What this allows us to do is get in areas such as tiny places like the speakers. It allows us to just clean in there, clean little specks of dirt out. So basically what these tools do, they fit in very specific areas. Let's see what else we got. So we can clean the USB, that charging port. And that is going to be right here. So all we do with this tool right here, we just basically go in there. And, there's all sorts of debris, all the different times you charge your phone. There's debris getting stuck in there. So what this does, and I can see some of the dust and kind of grime. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's some dust and grime that's already come off of there. So it just keeps your charging port clean. Going to help your phone last longer. Also going to help it keep, just stay charged up. Let's see what else we have. There's just so many cool attachments. You also have a solution, and this you can apply to the end. So you could apply this solution right here, and that just is more of a cleaning agent to get in there and clean it out. So this thing's very cool. It works for all different areas. We can get even in the silencer button, we can get in there and kind of clean in there. Just a very useful cleaning kit. And this is obviously, I'm testing this out on an iPhone, but let's do the one more tool that you can do. So this is actually a brush that we can do into the phone. And that's really, I can see dust coming out as I pull out. So this thing's very useful. There's so many cool aspects to it. Again, you also have the clay tabs as well, and the microfiber cloth, as well as the solution. So you've got pretty much everything you need to keep this clean. Not only that, they give you a SIM card slot tool to be able to get the SIM card out. So ultimately, at the end of the day, I think this is a great value. I mean, let's face it, dude. These phones are our life. They're expensive computers now, so we got to keep these things running as long as we can.